Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the incompatible software component detected error in Valorant, especially when it mentions the ene.sys file. So if Valorant won't launch and you're stuck on this error, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open File Explorer on your PC. Now go to Local Disk C, then open the Windows folder. From here, open System32, and inside that folder, open Drivers. At the top right, click on the search bar and type ene.sys, exactly as shown in the error message. Once the file appears, right-click on it and select Rename. Now rename the file to ene.sys.old. Make sure you add the dot before old and press Enter. If Windows asks for administrator permission, just click Continue to approve the change. After that, close everything and try launching Valorant again. For most users, this step alone fixes the problem. If the error still shows up, there's one more thing we need to check. This issue is usually caused by RGB driver software running on your system. If you have programs like iQ, RGB Fusion, or Razer Synapse installed, these can conflict with Valorant's anti-cheat. To fix it, open Apps and Features and completely uninstall any RGB-related software you have installed. Once the uninstall is finished, restart your PC and launch Valorant again. That should fully fix the incompatible software component error. And that's it. While there's no official reset button for this issue, this is the most effective way to get Valorant running normally again. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick fixes like this.